Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, May 15th, 2012. The market opened up this morning here at 1334.75, represented by this white dotted line. We generally don't trade from 9:30 till 9:45. Coming out of the no trade zone, we really had, I want you to notice our opening range here. When price action stays within there, we have to expect that it's going to be choppy. I really didn't see anything that I wanted to get into a trade until we got just barely broke out of the range to the upside. Actually, this is it's called a shark attack trade. We only got the first target off and got for a total of 8 ticks, and then we got stopped out for the second contract. We then saw price action pull back into the opening range. Nice clean EWT to the downside, EWT trade to the downside. It was questionable because it was going into opening price, so a lot of traders did not take this trade. Actually, a lot of traders did not take any trades the first part of the morning just because price action remained in our opening range. However, if you were aggressive, we don't just simply take one trade setup. We're looking for a trade setup as well as confirming indicators. So in this particular case, it was strong enough knowing that the push was to the downside. There was a lot of negative news coming out of Europe, and we just felt like the push was going to be going lower, and that's why I jumped on that trade. We had a nice clean pullback, an opportunity to get short. I did not take this trade once we got back in here towards the opening price. However, some traders may have taken this, so I'm going to count it as a full -8 tick stop out. And then we went into the no trade zone from 11:30 to 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone, nice clean setup. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 12 ticks. And if you had a runner, you could have made a little bit more on that. Bring your stop in behind this swing high. Would have got stopped out right there at around going into the 2 o'clock time frame. We were not at the market structure highs, so we have a certain rule that we don't take any long positions. However, we did still see the strength to the downside. Finding support on the opening range, nice pullback. Entry here for a trailer stop, target 1, target 2, and with a trailing stop, a total of 21 ticks. Actually could have pulled out a little bit more than that. Got stopped out right here at around 1329. But our internal indicators, our momentum indicators, continue to tell us to the downside pressure, each one of these opportunities. Generally, after 2 trades to the downside, I don't take any more. You've pretty much exhausted the run. At that point, we went into the close with no further trades. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.